What if you could build a full video agency website, liquid glass UI, animated hero, and a day-to-night background that actually switches, using just Claude AI and one ChatGPT trick?
No Figma.
No code. Let me show you exactly how. Go to Pinterest and search for something like luxury city aerial photography or golden hour cityscape. You want a bright, well-lit daytime photo, not a night photo. Open ChatGPT. Use GPT-4o with image generation. Upload your day photo and paste this prompt. It's written to work with any photo you give it, not just city shots. Now go to Claude AI. This is where the magic happens. Paste this full prompt. It includes the complete liquid glass design system, so everything, the navbar, buttons, badges, cards, all get that glass effect with a reflective edge. Your project folder needs 3 files: index.html, webxday.jpg, and website.jpg. Then open the HTML in a text editor and find these 3 placeholders. Replace each one with a real URL. If you want part 2 with a contact form and footer, comment below. Like and subscribe if this helped.